Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to turn on the notes on the Instagram. So as you know, this is the new feature, how you can use it. Watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So if you want to turn on the Instagram notes, first of all you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram. So first of all you have to basically update your Instagram mobile application just by opening your Play Store. Search for the Instagram, and here you will see the update button. Simply update your Instagram mobile application and try to find the notes button on the Instagram. Moreover, tap a while on the Instagram app, go to the info, and once you will do it, after that you have to click on the storage and the cache on the third one, and from here you have to click on the clear cache. And once you will done it, simply open your Instagram. Your problem will be fixed. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.